So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create an image in Microsoft Copilot. So the first thing you want to do is go to copilot.microsoft.com, which will open this website right here. On here I suggest you log in since you're going to be it's going to be easier for this AI to get you and to understand your prompts if it knows something more about you. So if you wish to create images, you can do that a couple different ways. You can upload stuff through here. So you can start a new conversation. You can upload some image and then ask Microsoft Copilot to do some makeup on it, or rather to change certain aspects of the picture. You can always just type it in, make a picture of a dog. You can even put something like this, so it doesn't really has to have that many prompts, and you can see it's preparing an image. So it's quite simple. You just need to give him a correct prompt and you can see the image is nearly done. It's getting ready. Creating an image lasts a bit longer than just receiving an answer for a question. You can even toggle here for think deeper, better for more complex topics. If you wish some more detail, you can always just put in for a longer lasting response. And you can see right now this image is being generated, and after a while it's going to be created. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Microsoft Copilot or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.